Hello everyone, this video will be a little different, as I am going to show you how I coded a bot to edit my videos for me. Let me first explain you the logic behind it, as I think that the logic is way more important for a developer than a language's syntax. That being said, we will use Python so we can code quickly and FFMPEG. First, our program takes a video as an argument and convert it into a 25 FPS video. Then, it will speed it up by 120% and cut the last 5 seconds of the video. Once that is done, a random audio file will be retrieved from a predefined audio folder. In a second time, we will issue a series of if statements to the video file that we muted just before. If the video's length is inferior or equal to the audio's length, we will sync the video and audio, add an outro, cut the audio length to match the video length, and add an audio fade effect. The only difference will be that if our video length is greater than our audio length, we will add random audio files until the audio length of all the audios is equal or superior to video's length. Once all of those steps have been executed, the bot will download the rendered video in a special render folder. Now, I would like to say that neither the code nor the plan that I am showing you is perfect. The code and the plan can be optimized, but it is a nice side project that works perfectly for my use case and the way I want my video edited. I am now going to show you the code running and the results, then it will be only code. Please subscribe to the channel to help me smash that fucking YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go amigo.